Right, I'm going to do a bit of science 101 with you. So I got a theory in my head how I'm going to put both of these tanks, link them both together. Now I got something by here that I thought that I could show you guys what's going on in my head and how the theory's going to hopefully work. So here we go. Right, as you can see, I'm emulating these in my tanks, right? So when you fill it up, we're going to fill the smaller one up because I don't want you guys saying, well you filled the bigger one up first and there's more pressure in there and blah blah blah, right? So I'd like a flat surface. I could do with a flat surface. Flat-ish. Right, so this is my theory, right? This is completely closed off, okay? The only breathers it's got is these three pipes. Now, because I got what's it called, EFI, like electronic ignition, it has to be a closed circuit, okay, for it to work. Now I gotta get all these pipes here. I gotta try and cut them down and fit them into this one tank, because the second tank is just a tank. It's nothing, no inlets, no outlets on it, no inlets. It's just going to be sealed with three pipes going to it. I'm going to have one pipe at the bottom of the tank, halfway, and then at the top. Okay, so this is emulating my tank. So this is going to be this tank with the fuel pump and everything in it. Right, so I'm now at the petrol station and we're going to see what happens when we fill our car up with fuel. Get this bloody level up. Right there. So what do you think of that then? So I won't have any trouble filling up one tank faster, and I gotta wait for the other one to keep up, because they practically keep up at the same time. So what do you think of that little experiment then? I know I got some weird things up my head going on, so I'm quite happy with that. So what's going to happen is I'm going to get 3 stainless steel tubes, and they're going to be going across, but they won't be fixed. On the end of them stainless steel tubes then will be about 2 inches of rubber connecting onto a connector onto the tanks. And yeah, so what I don't want happening, I didn't want a rubber hose going across because it's hard to keep it at a level. And then I thought about, well, what if I have a pipe with like a mild steel pipe with the rubber fuel pipe running through it? And I was thinking, well, why didn't I just do a stainless steel pipe and then put rubber connectors on either end? So that's what's going to happen. So that's going to be my tank setup, and I'm pretty chuffed with that. So I know Quincy, you asked me, because he's having trouble with his countach filling it up. He's got to wait for the other tank to fill up before he can put more in. So I hope that's answered your question, and it's certainly confirmed what's going up in my head. So I'm quite pleased with that. The only thing I got to do now is just pour these tanks together. And well, I did run out of gas, so I've got another bottle. So I've got a full tank of bottle because I did have a little one. So that ran out of argon, so I've got another bottle of argon, and just got to weld them up now. I got to wait for some parts to come in, the connectors to go on the tanks. As always, wait for parts. It's going to be only a short little video on how my tanks are going to hopefully work. I hope you like this little science project that I've shown you guys, and we just got to wait for a really long video of me coming out with me doing some other stuff. So thanks for watching this little short video about how I'm going to tackle my tanks, join them up together, and then feeding each other great. So yeah, leave some comments what you think, let me know, and I'll see you next one. Cheers guys.